Understanding the return on investment of your social media campaigns is crucial for any business, whether B2B or B2C, allowing you to make data-driven decisions that can enhance your marketing strategies and ultimately improve your return on investment. The key metrics: engagement, reach and impressions, conversion rates, and click-through rates. Three steps to measure social media return on investment. Define clear objectives, track the right metrics, calculate the return on investment. Tips to improve your return on investment: create high-quality content, targeted paid advertising, A/B testing your campaigns, and monitor your competitors. That social media is a dynamic landscape, so adapt your strategies to stay ahead in the game.